Hi there. Have you ever made mistakes when speaking or writing English? Don't worry, we all do. Today, we're going to learn about some common mistakes about to-be verbs in simple present and how to fix them. Get ready to improve your English skills and avoid these tricky errors. Now, here are the common mistakes that happen a lot in simple present. Avoid using two subjects. Sometimes learners make a common mistake by using both a pronoun like he or she and a proper noun like John or Jennifer together in one sentence. For example, don't say John, he is a student. Say John is a student or he is a student. One common mistake is using you incorrectly in writing. In formal writing, it's important to avoid using you when referring to the reader unless it's appropriate. For example, here's a sentence to show a mistake. When you write a school paper, you must follow these rules. No, it's better to say it this way. When writing a school paper, people must follow these rules. In formal writing, like school papers, it's best not to say you directly to the reader. Using people or restructuring the sentence can make the writing sound more professional. Common mistakes with they. One common mistake is using they incorrectly for singular nouns. Remember, they is for plural nouns or when we're not sure about the gender. When we talk about just one person or thing, we should use he or she instead of they. They is for more than one person or when we do not know the gender or the sex of the person. For example, this is an incorrect sentence I'm about to say. A student should always do their homework. Now, the correct version is this. A student should always do his or her homework. Or you can pluralize it and say students should always do their homework. Sometimes when we're talking about someone without mentioning their gender, it's better to use they instead of he or she. This is especially true when we want to be gender neutral or when we're not sure about the person's gender. For example, this one is an incorrect sentence I'm about to say. If a student wants to succeed, he must work hard. No, the correct version is this. If students want to succeed, they must work hard. But here's the reason. Using they, as I said, is better here because it's not just about boys or girls, but any student. I hope you learned something useful today about fixing these common mistakes in English. And remember to practice what we talked about. Try using these tips in your own sentences. And if you have any questions, just ask. Keep practicing and you'll get better and better at English. Well done, everyone.